Hello there, a new day, a new project, a new fixing. In fact, it's late September, so things are getting colder and colder. And what I want to do today is to check an electric heater, 2000 watts. You know, it's a very simple device. I got a coil there, a fan only. Now it's supposed to be the first heating step. Not anymore. Here we are on maximum. I can't feel that thermostat click. And of course, same story with number 2. So, what we have to do, let's open it up. Normal Phillips screws. Okay, yes, yeah. One out. Of course, don't forget to unplug the device. Never attempt, never try, never think about fixing anything plugged to the mains, or no. You know, these heaters are not exactly very efficient. All this electricity crisis today, energy crisis and prices too, this kind of heater, it's a mess. But the advantage of having this kind of heater is that it's instantly heating the place. 2000 watts, in 10 minutes you are done. So then you can just turn it off. Okay, let's take a look inside. It's pretty clean, it's pretty new. I don't remember using this. The motor is okay. The main concern is this thermostat here. I already got the problem. You see this plastic thing here? Went away from, look there. This nail, this plastic nail should stay in that place. But it's still no click. How comes? No. Okay, I put it back, but we still don't have a, how can I say, I still don't have a right action. So let's take it out. Oh my, finally. And here we have the thermostat itself. All I can say that it's not decoupling anymore, but everything is upside down here. This plastic thingy should be also, no, that's okay, that's fine. What's wrong with you? It's like always on. Why? Okay, if we take it the other way, now we should have zero contact. And you can see there, that should be the highest position by the tip. If I'm pushing higher, yeah, you see, if I'm pushing higher, is the coupling. I'm back again. Well, now it's working, but it's not in the same position anymore. What can we do? What about, maybe I can have kind of washer. Okay, let me have a hole, not a hole, but a bump in the middle. Like that. And I should have this in between the things here. Yeah. You see? I have the washer in place. And of course, look there. Looking good. But let me have it in. All right, that's the right position. Can you hear that? Continuity mode. Probably there was a washer or something, just falling because of dropping, or anyway. It was really funny because the top here, it was out of way. Maybe it was smashed, or I don't know, falling down. Okay, let's have this a little bit tighter. Yeah, this one too. Where are you? Oh yeah, here. This wire doesn't look like 2000 watts, 2 kilowatts. Okay. So like I said before, these are the heater resistors. You don't see any burns or something. And up here, you see this one here, it's the thermal fuse, or let's call it the emergency fuse. When something wrong happens here, too much heat or something, this one is opening the circuit at, I don't know, 100 and something degrees. It's not only bipolar, this one here, but it's also another fuse. This is a proper thermofuse. This one, it's just decoupling, it's burning at the right temperature. So the system is secure. You don't have to be worried about that. Okay, let's put it together. Shall we give it a try? Of course. But you know something? Let me check it first with the multimeter, just in case. We should have like 20 ohms. 800, what? 845 ohms? I can't believe that. Let's see. We have the power LED here. Nothing moves. How comes? Did I disconnect something and I forgot to put it on? There is okay. Here, we're fine. No, the thermostat is working very clear, but we got no heating. So there is another problem. Which one? Ha! The thermofuse, it's gone. So it was an overheating problem here. Oh man, I don't have anything like that, but I'm back on this guy here. What can we do? What can we do? Nothing but having a piece of wire in between these two. So we still have bipolar thermic. So I can short this one. Now we should have a working device. Okay, I'm not touching anything. So this is on. Fan, it's on. First step, it's on. Yeah, I can feel the heat. Second step, it's on. I can feel the heat. Okay, now it's only the fan working. I want to do an experiment. I'll have my air station on, and I have two guys here to check. Let me have 200 degrees maybe. Oh yeah, that should be enough. Okay, hot air, 200 degrees. Yes, you saw that? Decoupling. So the heater is not working anymore. Let me see this guy. Of course, we are good to go. Now, let's wait. This one went back already. That one went back already. Let's try again. So first, the emergency one. Yes. So now, and now the working thermostat at 200 degrees. What? Not anymore? Yes. It's working. Something wrong again. I don't feel it decoupling anymore. What's wrong with this guy? Yeah, it's out of the main. Not again. Oh man, this is so damn. This is crazy. This is so crazy. Maybe it's because the temperature is not enough. This is not enough. What? Okay. So this is important too. Maybe I should bend this a little. Yeah. I could do that from the beginning. Funny. Yes, I know what was happening here. You see, this guy, I think it's melted. That's forensic. So, this guy gets stuck and the plastic thing here melted and got short. And of course the thermostat couldn't close the circuit anymore. And that's why the fuse, the thermic fuse, got burned. So here was something happening when and how, I don't recall. But anyway, I can see this is melt. Right. Now it's working. Hopefully we'll not have a problem anymore. But like I said before, you don't have to be worried. The bipolar thermic fuse, it's still there. And this is the service or the working thermostat only. That was the explanation. Where is the other screw? Okay. I don't know why the screws are always trying to escape in another dimension. Yeah, right. I can hear the sound. This is perfect. All right, let me have the wires back in place. Let's give a try. Okay, full heating now. Anyway, it's working. That's the most important thing. Before ending this, let's have a proper measurement about the resistance you should encounter when you measure these guys. So, only the fan is around 955 ohms. First step, 58 ohms, 56. And the second one, 30.3. So these are the right numbers. For a full 2000 watts, we should have 30 ohms. That's it for today, guys. I'll be back soon with some other fixing projects, crazy things I'm doing around here. Please consider like and first of all subscribe. I need you. And of course, I'm waiting your comments. Like I said so many times. How was that? Please like, please subscribe, and don't forget to write. And of course, don't forget to have fun. Bye bye.